Hello everyone. In previous video we already started the brachial plexus. Now we will discuss about its branches. The lateral cord gives off three branches: lateral pectoral nerve, musculocutaneous nerve, and lateral root of median nerve. Lateral pectoral nerve supply to the pectoralis major and pectoralis minor muscle. Musculocutaneous nerve supply to the biceps brachii, brachialis and coracobrachialis muscle. Lateral root of median nerve along with the medial root of median nerve supply to the muscles of front of forearm and muscles of thenar eminence. Medial cord gives off 5 branches: medial pectoral nerve, medial cutaneous nerve of arm, medial cutaneous nerve of forearm, ulnar nerve and medial root of median nerve. Medial pectoral nerve supply to the pectoralis major and pectoralis minor muscle just like the lateral pectoral nerve. Medial cutaneous nerve of arm carries sensory impulses from small area of medial side of arm, while the medial cutaneous nerve of forearm carries sensory impulses from large area of medial side of forearm. Ulnar nerve supply to the muscles of front of forearm and 15 intrinsic muscles of palm. Medial root of median nerve help along with the lateral root of median nerve supply to the front of forearm and thenar eminence muscles. Posterior cord gives off 5 branches: lower subscapularis, upper subscapularis, nerve to latissimus dorsi, axillary nerve and radial nerve. We can remember this by mnemonic lunar. Lower subscapularis nerve supply to the subscapularis muscle and teres major muscle. Upper subscapularis nerve supply to the subscapularis muscle. Nerve to latissimus dorsi, also known as thoracodorsal nerves, supply to the latissimus dorsi. Axillary nerve supply to the deltoid and teres minor muscle. Radial nerve supply to the triceps brachii muscles and 12 muscles of back of forearm. Radial nerve is the thickest branch of the brachial plexus. Now, the root of brachial plexus also gives off some branches. Nerve to serratus anterior, also known as long thoracic nerve, arise from the C5, C6 and C7 spinal nerve. Nerve to rhomboid arise from the C5. Upper trunk also gives off 2 branches: supraescapular nerve, which supply to the supraspinatus and infraspinatus, and nerve to subclavius, which supply to the subclavius muscle.